Come on, move, color. Where? Right there, PC. Watch out.
Fuck.
Thank God for this pole, bro.
Alright, bro. What do you want to do, Chet?
We gotta fucking do something.
Where are they? Oh, he's peeking. Hold on. He's peeking.
Jesus Christ, what are you just laying there?
What am I?
Watch out! Fuck. Okay, we need to push out. Get him. Drop him. Okay, we need to push out. Get him. Drop him.
Out. Up.
You're gonna put to this left side? Yeah. Left side. Back right. Hey, can we keep like two people at that plane?
You and Tyler.
What do we do?
Y'all need to stay at the plane just in case they follow us, because I know they're gonna push up.
Let's go, bud. Let's go, Racing. Over there. Hey, there's somebody by the border truck. Watch yourself. We go stand there. Miguel! Miguel, let's go! Miguel! Let's go!
Yeah, I see him.
Hey, get the evac point. Let's go. Where's it at?
It's over here in the corner. Who shot? Is that? You want to shoot that nigga? Is he alive? Oh,
I hate your boot.
bro, I shot him on his neck too.
I got his boot.
Bro, I got him all in his neck, bro. Jet, it was like.
Just that corner. Why is there a flag up? Hey, Dylan, there's where's Tyler?
Which mortar?
This police vehicle right here. This one, I saw one laying down. I don't know if you got him or not.
All right, bro. Let's move. I got these.
Sorry.
Out.
Alright, there's two behind this fucking.
Up. Bro, I hear BBs from over there, bro.
Oh, yeah. They're fine over there.
Bro, I nailed the fuck at that nigga that. He said, I said.
Alright,
got guys with weapons over here. I told you. Oh, what the fuck?
Miguel, watch
Hey,
out.
Cullen.
Can you shoot that nigga?
Jet. Jet. Jet, they're over here at this big ass tree over here, bro. Right there.
Right over there.
Push now, push now, push now. Wait, technically, are you going to be right there? That's at the hedgerow.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, cool.
Did you get him? Did you die?
No, because he was outside the hedgerow.
Oh, shit. Cool.
Jackson's in this corner. So look, we're good. We should keep our backs here. Keep everything right here. Mason, no, let's go, bro. There's a guy on your stick. Clear any guys.
Where?
Right here, right here, right here.
Hey, bro, be careful. We got guys up there on that tree.
Right behind this tree. Just keep
Out.
Dutchman.
Up. Miguel. Miguel, do you just want to move back to our squad, bro?
Hold on. Got the hedge up there too. Eli, come here. I shot my gun already, dumb fuck. Come here. I have a feeling you're the infected one. Harvey, come on.
Ooh.
Gingerbread was over there. I told you it was a ginger. Told you. I thought we take the wood and take the head over there.
I say we move to the right. Yeah, we probably should move to the right.
Don't say Eli,
shit.
come here.
Everybody go broad. Cover. Everybody get each other cover when we go.
Eli, come here.
Hey, everybody, let's go.
We're good. What? What?
I said we turned on their friends as soon as they went that way, and they turned their back to us. We just had to take out both of them.
God
Down
damn.
2 teams, my man.
I don't have to do that to him, bro. What about this nigga right here?
He was with us the first game.
Dude,
What went down? Hold up.
bro, I was like Miguel, look, I was like,
Let's go.
Guys, be wary. Wearing that.
bro, wait, did you get that on film, bro? Like, did you understand what I was talking about?
Wait, what'd you say?
Be wary of your vest.
Okay.
I can't feel it. It's the second complaint.
I didn't know I got shot, but okay.
You didn't. Okay, low key. Who shot me in the ass?
What?
Someone shot me in the ass.
Like,
Yeah, one of those kids. No, but I got all. They said. I was like.
they saw me and you, they're like, wait, are they? Oh.
Yeah, I know.